Alright, let's go. Where are you guys? Where are you guys? Hello? Hey, who's the guy with the blonde hair? Alright, and Gmod, who are you? I'm videoing this as well, but it's going to be really bad quality. No, I haven't got all that stuff. I just literally just went and got a camera and literally videoing the screen. Let's go. Need to find all these tapes. What? What is it? Oh my god! Oh my god! It's like a mistake on Slender, man. Oh crap! Oh god, he's right there. Don't look over there. Alright. Yeah, he's like a muscly, slender man. With a mouth, oh my god. Oh, whoa! Whoa! I looked at him and he teleported away. Oh my god. Oh my god. And I've been... I don't think I'll be... I don't think you guys will be in my video though. It's my camera, it's just a camera. It's not bad quality actually. It's not that bad. Alright, this is quite scary. Oh my god! Where is... Oh god! Oh my... I feel like a girl. No. So did I! I got a video as well. I don't know who I got, but it was someone. Oh yeah, it was a Warrior. It was Warrior. I'm a ghost now. I'm a ghost, 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 I'm a ghost. I'm pissed now. Like super pissed. Oh my gosh. Yeah? Oh crap. Zealot085. It sucks, so I haven't actually got any proper videos yet. So don't search it yet. It's not great quality, but it's alright. Zealot085. Anyway, I'm gonna have to stop this video because the camera's gonna run out of battery and it's not charging. Alright, I'm gonna do another video of this soon because this is really cool. I'll do it with you, Gmod. Okay, I'll do another video. Goodbye.